What's up, Maniacs? Let's get back another video. All right, guys, the last video we left off on the 49 Ford Body Swapped BMW project. I was remaking the rear fenders. Well, actually, I want to remake all the fenders on it because the previous fenders were eBay fenders and they didn't quite fit. You know, they did the job and they were okay for the year and a half we've had the car out. But I've always wanted something different. And so this is going to be part 2 of that fender shaping episode. So wide body fender, custom made from scratch. This is what I ended up with, so I'm super happy with it. There's still more to do, obviously. That's why this is part 2 now. But what I got so far is I rolled this on a slip roller, and that's pretty cool. I just bought it on eBay or Amazon, can't remember. It's a no brand name because, you know, we're not really a production shop. We're actually not even a shop. We're just a, well, I guess we are. We're a hobby shop. I'm a real estate broker. The other guys are in various other positions for a living. They work at different places. None of us are actually car fabricators, car mechanics, nothing car related actually professionally. This is being built by, can be built by anyone, I guess. You know, you just gotta set your mind to it, a couple of bucks to it. I think the slip roller was like 275 bucks shipped, and gave me that shape. And then this little guy right here, this was done through a tipping roller. So this is a tipping roller and then a shrinker. All of these tools that we have in this place are, like I said, budget. It's good enough. They get the job done for your one-off, you know, home projects. So home-built car projects, that is. So anyway, here's where we're at. I'm gonna keep going on this. I actually did skip part of this from the last video. I did do this off camera. I didn't think I was gonna get this far with it, but here we are. I'm really happy with how it looks. So I'm gonna move myself to the front fender now just to see if I can get it this close on the front fender before I come back here and I start kind of tacking it on and start figuring out what I'm gonna do with some of the finishing pieces right around here. So let's get going. These are the eBay fenders, flares on this car. And like I said, they were good enough, but I want to try something a little different. So I start with some construction paper. I did have to piece it. I didn't have a big enough piece. Kind of going with this, I don't know, Gothic, I guess. I don't know. Just kind of a cool kind of an organic shape. Works with the car really well, so I'm really liking that. Plus, strap this car on a trailer with straps that go around the tire and the ratchets right here. And so it was really nice to have these shorty fenders. You can get in and do this. So I want to definitely keep that going so I can still put it on the trailer when I need to. That's kind of a form and function, if you will. Probably piece some more of this together. Just trying to get a general idea as to what I'm gonna do here. But before we do, check out this ad. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to support our channel, go to our website at maniacsgarage.com and check out the merch we have. We have t-shirts, hats, decals, we even have a backpack. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Well, let's get back to this video. All right, let's go ahead and take this over to a piece of sheet metal. First attempt at transferring this and then rolling it and see what we got. All right, this is what the rough cut looks like. It's not the prettiest so far, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with the restorer tool, get the brushes in it so I have at least the majority of them in here. And then I'm gonna put it through the slip roller and you guys will get to see that. All right, here it is, boys and girls. This is a slip roll. This is what I got for real cheap. Brand new, off brand. Good enough for me though. So I kind of have it set. You can actually tighten it to make it a sharper, harder curve, or you can leave it kind of soft. I'm hoping that it's still on soft right now. And I'm gonna follow this line right here. So I'm gonna curve it this way as I run it through the roller instead of just running it straight through. I don't think that's gonna get me the proper curvature. So here we go. And that's correct, that's the bottom. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Oh man, this is a lot. This is too much. Too much. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened here. That was gonna go too bad right there. So I'm gonna back this off. Well, it's something. I think I'm gonna have to cut this off to get it out of the way. All right, check it out. So I put a mark about 1/2 inch on the inside. This is my tipping roller set that I'm actually borrowing from a good friend down the road, Shannon. Thanks, man, for lending this to us. I don't have it yet. I have a whole bunch of different die sets, but not a tipping one. So a tipping one's gonna put a sharp line into this to kind of give it that little fender edge there. So this is my second time ever doing this, and I'm just gonna try to keep it as straight following that line as I can. And this is my first pass. There's gonna be a couple of more passes. And this is what it looks like after a couple of passes. Not quite what you want yet, so I'm gonna take it over to my shrinker, start shrinking this lip. Okay, so I think I'm one step closer. It's looking pretty trash right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and hammer and dolly it. All right guys, so here it is. Don't worry about the trunk and the hood being off. I'm working on getting those undercoated, so Ryan helped me take them off today while I was working on the fenders. So here's what the fenders look like. Kind of first attempt at the teardrop style. Still have some things to kind of weld and finish on there. They're just tacked on, but I don't know, I'm kind of liking it. Having a hard time getting used to them, but I think I like them more than I liked the eBay ones. So let me know what you guys think of the fenders. Let me show you what they look like. Well guys, that's gonna do it for us today. Make sure you guys give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. Make sure you're subscribed. Leave us some comments. We'd like to hear from you guys. I got Ryan and Jim now on the comment section, so they're responding to you guys as well. So we really appreciate you guys. Thank you for the 3 years of following us for some of you, and for you guys new ones, thank you. And if you guys don't know what this car is, it is a 49 Ford Shoebox, and it's body swapped on a BMW 335i. Whole bunch of videos of it. Go check them out. See you guys in the next one.